Hey everyone, and welcome back to Medical Websoft. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can set up a cross-selling on a cart and on a checkout page. Before starting that, I want to give a note that the cross-selling will be only done if you have a Plus store or have a prepaid plan of an app. So let's begin with how you can set up a cross-selling on a cart. First of all, you need to visit your online store. Then you need to install an app. For the upsell, like I have already installed a Rebuy app. So let's search for Rebuy. Click on Rebuy. After logging in Rebuy app, you will see a dashboard. After going on dashboard, you just need to go to the smart card under the data source. Just click on smart card. And one more thing that you need to add, that before doing the upsell, cross upsell, you have the products in your store. That's the main important thing that you have to do before doing the upsell. So as I have already added the products, and go to the smart card, scroll down, you will see a section for manage your smart card. Click on new smart card, click on single column, give it a name. I have given in card upsell. And save it. Click on create. As it will take a time. As you can see, the card upsell is ready. You need to do some changes as per your, like you can add a card title. Let me add you may also like. As you can see, the wording I have added is add to this on the top, or you can say, change it to then you can see the changes. And as I scroll down, it will show that the widget name. Click on live. And before doing this changes save, you have to click on global settings. Also click the override cart page checkout button. Redirect to cart. After doing all the changes, just click on save. It is asking that are you sure you want to save the smart card option? Yes. Click on yes, enable. As you can see, smart card is live now. For testing it, you just need to click on view like. It will directly redirect to you to. Now, after adding the upsell, as we have implemented that, you just need to visit to your online store. Check that you have enabled the Rebuy app to your store. For Rebuy, as you can see, is already connected. You just have to go to its preview for the As you can see, I have just click off any of the product and click add to cart. And as you can see, it will show a cart page like this and upsell on it. You can also change the settings as per your need, like if you don't want to react it to cart, stay on the current page, click save. As right now it is just redirecting to the cart page. If you just check the stay on the current page, it will just show the upsell on the same cart row like this. Let me add another product. As I have added, and click on add cart. The cart drawer will open like this, and as you can see, the Rebuy cart upsell will look like this, and you may also section will be able to under that. That's how cart upsell will work. And as I have already told in the starting, that the checkout page, if you want to show the cross selling on the checkout page, you will need to have a post purchase plan of the app and also have the Shopify Plus plan. That's all for today. Thank you.